So starting the test drive in this Frontier, this V6 has quite a bit of pull to it. Very strong motor, I think. And as I'm looking in the rearview mirror, I forgot to mention the universal garage door transmitters right here. So it's nice to have that on a pickup truck like this as well. So we're gonna give some throttle here. Yeah, very strong engine there. So as the sun goes down, I'm trying to keep this visor kind of over here to my left because that's where I get a lot of glare. So I apologize for that. Let's floor it again. Yeah, just really strong, a very strong engine. That's all I can say about that. Very impressive. And another thing I like about this is it doesn't feel like it skipped a beat. Now this is, again, an almost 15-year-old car, 15-year-old truck, excuse me. And it has a lot of life left in it, it seems like. Especially with just the condition it's in. You have the 5-speed automatic. You have the V6. Just a nice powertrain, I think. And the ride quality is pretty good. Not too much wind noise here. It's just, I'm just thoroughly impressed with this truck so far. I'm gonna put the visor back because I'm gonna have the sun shining in my face again, so excuse me ahead of time. And the brakes feel good in this truck still. This has been taken care of. Now I think if you're looking for a mid-sized truck with a decent amount of power, I mean this powertrain I think is very impressive. And then it also has pretty good space just overall. For a mid-sized truck, I think this is one of the best ways to do it. But I mean, I love this 4-liter V6. I love the simple 5-speed automatic. And I can't get over the ride quality of this truck for it to have these 18-inch alloy wheels. Just the stature that it holds as a pickup truck, I'm just impressed. As a small pickup truck, let me put it that way. I'm impressed with how good the ride quality is. And the steering feel, I like that. Now the only thing for me that it's missing is an aftermarket backup camera and aftermarket CarPlay system. I highly recommend CarPuride. That's what I have I have an 04 Tundra, and that's the wireless CarPlay system that I used, and it's been a pretty good system. I had it for about a year or so, but I have a video of that on my channel if you want to check that out. If you get something like this and you still want to have those modern features of Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, definitely make sure you take a look at that. But other than that, I mean, you saw the fuel economy. This thing has averaged 19 miles per gallon. The EPA rates it at 15 city, 20 highway, so it's pretty impressive for an average. And again, this just has so much life, I feel, left in it. Yeah, I could see myself driving this thing if I needed to. But pretty impressive used truck, I think, again, especially for the age. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2009 Nissan Frontier in the LE trim level.